Mga ilang kaganapan ng ginawa nating karir dito, tunghayan natin kung gaano kalupit si Bronny James. Ayon at katatapos lang ng first half, ang score ay 66 sa Lakers at 35 sa Memphis. At halftime report tayo at umiscore nga si Bronny 50 points, 3 rebound at 3 assists. Okay, nagsimula na ang second half natin.
Big margin on our hands, but we'll see if that gap narrows down in the third and fourth quarters. You know the doctor has been exceptional here today, guys.
Ayun nga, pinagapang si Bronny James.
No scoring yet from him, but that's likely to change. Here's Valanciunas. Cousins is there. The jump hook.
Ipinasa kay James ang bola at from Daddy James to Bronny. Bronny ngayon nagdadala ng bola, aghahanap ng mapasahan. Ipinasa kay Daddy James.
Back to LeBron.
Nice assist by Bronny.
The layup falls.
At tingnan natin ang diskarte ng Bronny James at pansinin natin ang galawan ni Bronny James na papaiwan lahat. At nakuha ni Daddy James ang bola, sumalaksak si Bronny James at hindi kinaya at ipinasa. At nag-sit sila ulit ng game at naghahanap ng butas si Daddy James. Pinanasa kay Cousins, ibinalik ang bola kay Brooks. Pumukol ang 3 at no good. Ibinalik ulit ang bola at isinukol ulit. No good pa rin. Kaso sablay lahat.
Rondo on the double team.
Galing sa kabilang court nagsumasalaksak si Bronny James at sumalaksak. At tingnan natin ang replay kung paano lumipad si Bronny James. Yan. Bang! Napakaganda ng box out ni Kasim kaya nakuha ni Bronny ang bola. Bola ngayon ng Lakers at sumasalaksak lang si Bronny James at ayan. Bang! Sumalpak.
No question, powered it down.
Yung Bronny sumasalaksak sa ngayon na sumabay ka. Bang! May kasamang foul yan.
As the basket counts and a 3-point play chance right here. One free throw coming up. Shooting one. Free throw good.
We're gonna have ourselves one exciting finish.
James. And it's good coming on the assist by
Hindi talaga
Raja.
mapipigilan ng batang ito dahil steal na naman na hawak ni Cassie ng bola, ibinalik kay Bronny at ibinalik kay Cassie ng bola, ibinalik din kay Bronny ang bola. Sumalaksak ngayon. Goal team din basket count. Kaya nga huwag tayong kukorap sa galawan ni Bronny, nag-screen na siya at lumabas, kinuha ang bola at pumukol ng 3s. Bang! Pasok yan. Bola naman ng Memphis from Calvo to Jackson. Pang! Supalpa.
Outside Bradley. James.
Just never material.
Fires the 3. James with the bucket.
He's absolutely killing it from outside.
Launches it. And again it's the Lakers from deep. James. James right side.
Brooks binabantayan ni Bronny. Brooks. Tumira. Sablay. Bola ulit ng Lakers at dala-dala ni Bronny ang bola. Sumalaksak. Silly up yan.
They are not rotating nearly quickly enough
Kay
on
Brooks ang
defense.
bola. Sumasalaksak si Brooks. Binabantayan ni Bronny. Tumira si Brooks. Sablay. Ang lupit talaga ng dipinsa ni Bronny. Bola ng Lakers. At pumukol ng boss si Bronny. Tang.
And James gets it
Sa
to
Lakers
go.
na naman ang bola. At nagtatawag ng screen si Bronny. Sumalaksak ngayon. Tumaritso. Easily up.
Drops in the layup off the glass.
Okay.
He's really punished these defenders today.
Still by Bronny.
By James.
At dumakdak. Bang.
Breakaway
Memphis
slam.
Bulls.
Brooks outside.
Dipinsa by Bronny.
Pointer.
No good. Nice defense Bronny. Sumalaksak. Binalik-bali. Easy shot.
James.
Kay Bronny sumalaksak. Nagkapi pa sa airy shot yan. Dahil 100% yung shooting ni Bronny sa free throw line ay basic na basic
Second he
na.
got around the pick and
At dahil solid na solid ang screen ni Bronny, ayun nakapasok si Howard.
Here's
Napak si Howard ngayon. Inbound play ng Lakers at pumukol kaagad ng 3 si Bronny. Shoot
and
yan.
that comes off the assist by Dwight
Hindi na
Howard.
talaga ni-resist nito ni Bronny ang mga kalaban. Tumira sa kalbo, supalpal yan.
And they force the shot clock violation. Great D.
At ayun, natapos na ang laban.
Deep three-point range.
Natapos
Off
sa
the mark.
score na
And so it's
123-73. Ang lupit talaga ni Bronny James. At tingnan natin ang mga highlights plays niya. Grabe yung mas slam dunk. At grabe talaga ang pinamalas ni Bronny James dito dahil hindi pa siya umabot ng isang taon. Drafted noong 2019, round 2, pick number 1 sa Lakers. Nag-average lang naman siya sa season ng 54% per game. At 3 beses nanalo ng Players of the Week hanggang sa muli.